146. List of functional writings. 1. Packing list. Excelling in Eng. BK1P 146. When going back to school or even to a trip away from home, you need to ensure that you have packed the things that you will require. It is therefore important to make a list of the items that you are going to pack to avoid leaving behind essential items. Feature of a packing list. Title, e.g. Back to School Packing List. Below your heading, you can have subheadings indicating the categories of items involved, e.g. shoes, clothing, cosmetics, etc. Quantity. You should show clearly the specific quantity of items involved, e.g. 3 shirts, 1 tube of 50 grams toothpaste, 3 pieces of soap and 2 towels. Type of items involved, e.g. shirt, the cotton one or the blue and yellow striped one. You should also give a description of each item to help you distinguish it from the others. Example of a packing list. Example of a packing list. Packing list for a trip to Masai Mara. SN. No. Of item. Item type, quantity, description. 1. 2. Clothes are, shirts 3 1, the new yellow one. 2. The old blue one. 3. The green short-sleeved 1B. Trousers 2 1, the blue jeans 2, the black baggy corduroy. C. Towels 1, the purple one. 2. Shoes are, rubber 2 pairs 1, the black and white ones 2, the brown ones. B. Leather 2 pairs 1, the brown ones 2, the brown safari boots. C. Slippers 1 pairs, the blue ones. 3. Cosmetics are, body lotion 1 bottle Vaseline. B. Hair food 1 bottle Pressel. 4. Comb plastic 1, the yellow one. 5. Toothpaste Colgate 1 tube, the 50 grams 1. 6. Books at novel 1, the river and the source. B. Poems 1 Boundless Voices 7. Bedding are, sheets a pair, the pink ones. B. Blankets 2 1, the heavy blue and striped one. 2. The brown one. 2. To-do list. This is a list of activities that you are